Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. We're at Great American RV in Tupelo, Mississippi, and this is a 2023 Tiffin Allegro 401P. It's a Class A, and we'll head inside. Just wanted to show you the outsides with the slides and the big wheels and tires. Let's head inside where it's a little quieter. So as we step up inside, you can see the driver's area. Talk about comfort. That is very impressive. Your co-pilot's chair. And with the slides, look how open this is. Talk about lap of luxury. So we have opposing seating area, flat screen TV on a televator. Very nice dining area. And an amazing refrigerator and freezer. Talk about large and in charge. Look at how thick those doors are. Now I realize this is a decorative plate on here, but very, very impressive. Microwave oven. And then we have a dishwasher, as you can see. Beautiful cooktop. And then we have the kitchen sink. 2-bowl stainless steel sink with the spray head, spray nozzle. Your commode. So this is for company and quick access. We have a master bathroom that I'll show you here in a moment. And here is the master bedroom. Look at the depth on those drawers. And the flooring in here is just amazing. So then we also have the power bed that lifts up, that allows you to take in your flat screen TV. We also have a 40-inch Furrion fireplace. Plenty of cabinet space. And drawers. Well, let's see what happens here. So that's an easy close cabinet, as you can see there. Easy close drawers. Very, very impressive. The ceiling in here is just amazing. So you have a ceiling fan. You also have your ducted HVAC. And earlier I mentioned that we had a back shower. So here is your walk-in shower, and it has been winterized, but you have the flip-down seat and then 2 shower heads. Very, very nice. Here is your commode. And then let's check out the... Well, I was hoping to check out. There must be a... It must be... oh, it's locked right here, maybe. Anyway, I'm not going to mess with it too much. Then we have a stackable washer and dryer. Dual bowl sinks. Plenty of cabinet space below, as you can see. And it's easy close as well. So that is a tremendous master bathroom and master bedroom. As we work our way back to the front of the coach. 2023 Tiffin Allegro. What are your thoughts on this one? Very, very nice. Thanks again for watching. If this video brought you value, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, leave a comment below, and I'll catch you on the next video.